Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Steam. Whenever you click over here in this library option, you get a black screen, and because of this black screen you are not able to play any game in the Steam. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, if you are playing game using controller, go ahead, first of all unplug the controller. After unplugging the controller, launch the Steam, and after launching the Steam, click on this library option. Once you hit the library option, hopefully the library started to load and your issue of black screen will be fixed out. And once you click on the play option, you can again replug your controller to play the game. And nextly is, if you have an AMD GPU, go ahead and disable VSync, which is right over here. By opening the NVIDIA control panel, by clicking on manage 3D settings, you will find the option of vertical sync. Go ahead and turn it off. Once you have done these two changes, go ahead and check to fix out the issue of Steam library showing black screen. If this failed to work out, in next step, right click on taskbar and choose the option task manager. Right in this task manager, you need to find a program with the name Steam Web Helper. So press the S key. Here it is, Steam Client Web Helper. Once you find this program, right click and choose the option end task. Once you end this task, make sure that there are not any Steam Web Helper running in your task manager. After closing, Steam will launch automatically, and then whenever you hit this library option, all your games will be started to show. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the third step. Third step is a simple fix for you. Go ahead and launch the Steam, and whenever you hit the library option, and as soon as you saw a black screen in the Steam library, right in this corner, click on the option Friends and Chat. Whenever you click on the option Friends and Chat, your library started to show. This is a simple fix again, but works out for many users, as I have seen all over the internet. Now if this also failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. In the Steam menu, click on the Steam icon and choose the option Settings. From here, you need to do few changes one by one. In this left pane, click on the option Interface, scroll down, and you will find two options: Enable GPU acceleration and Enable hardware video decoding. Go ahead and you need to turn off both the features. Once you have turned on both the features, as Steam is saying, make sure to restart your Steam to fix out the issue of screen showing black screen in the library. Now if this also failed to work out, close the Steam settings. In the view option, click on it, and here you will find the option of big picture mode. Go ahead and click on the big picture mode. Once you click on the big picture mode, your library will start to show, and once the library is showing, you can again click on this view option to exit big picture mode to fix out the issue of Steam showing black screen in the library. Now if this method also failed to work out, in next step I have a simple suggestion to go ahead and do a hard reset of your router. Go ahead, turn off your router, unplug all the cables and unplug it from the power supply. Wait for 15 to 20 seconds and then replug your router and connect your Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable with your system. Once connected, click on Start menu, type CMD, run CMD as an administrator, type here a command ipconfig /flush DNS and hit the enter key. Once you have done these changes, go ahead, again restart your Steam to fix out the issue of Steam showing black screen in the library. And however, if all the method fails, the last hope you have is to right click on Start menu, choose the option Run, type here local app data % and then hit the enter key. Here press the S key to find Steam folder. Open it, and here you will find another folder with the name HTML cache. You need to delete this particular folder, but before deleting, make sure you close the Steam even from the system tray also, else this folder will not be deleted. Once the Steam is closed, right click on HTML cache and hit the option delete. Once deleted, go ahead, relaunch the Steam, and hopefully whenever you hit the library option this time, you will not be encountered with the black screen while launching the library in the Steam. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.